Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp ED YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about the PG Agri admission. So here comes, once you are done with the ICAR, so you will be getting admitted into these universities. So one is Central Institute of Fisheries Education, it's in Mumbai. So Indian Agricultural Research Institute, New Delhi, and then Indian Veterinary Research Institute, Itanagar, and then National Dairy Research Institute. So these all are the ICAR institutes. So it is deemed to be universities, and some of the state agricultural as well as veterinary universities are there. So it comes overall 50 universities are there. So it is Acharya NG Ranga University. So and then Anand Agricultural University, Assam Agricultural University, Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya, Bihar Agricultural University, Birsa Agricultural University, C.S. Azad University, and then Chhattisgarh Kamadhenu Vishwavidyalaya, Dr. Ishwan Singh Parmar University for Horticulture and then Forestry, Solan, it is in Himachal Pradesh. Dr. Oyesa Horticultural University, it is in Andhra Pradesh. Then G.B. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, it is in Uttarakhand. And then Jawaharlal Nehru Krishi Vidyalaya, it is in Madhya Pradesh. Then Junagadh Agricultural University, Kerala Agricultural University, Kerala Veterinary and Animal Science University, and then Lala Lajpat Rai University of Veterinary and Animal Science, it is in Haryana. Nanji Deshmukh Veterinary Science University, it is in Madhya Pradesh, and then Maharana Pratap University of Agriculture and Technology, Navsari Agricultural University, Orissa University of Agriculture and Technology, as well as Punjab Agriculture University, and then Swami Keshwanand Rajasthan Agriculture University, Rajasthan University of Veterinary and Animal Science, as well as Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel University of Agricultural and Technology, Sherry Kashmir University, both in J&K and then Srinagar. So here you can see the Tamil Nadu Fisheries University, and then Tamil Nadu Veterinary Science and Animal Science University, and then University of Agricultural Science, Bangalore, University of Agriculture and Horticulture Sciences, so Karnataka, University of Horticultural Science, Karnataka, UP Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Pashu Chikitsa Vigyan Vishwavidyalaya Evamgo Anuswadan Sansthan. It is in Mathura, UP. West Bengal University of Animal Science and Fishery Science. So it is in West Bengal. SKN Agriculture University, Kota. It is in Rajasthan. Professor Jaishankar, Telangana State Agriculture University. Sri Konda Lakshman, Telangana State Horticulture University. University of Agriculture Science, Dharwad. Sadar Kushing Nagar, Dantewada Agricultural University, so it is in Gujarat. Sri Venkateswara Veterinary University, Tirupati, Allahabad School of Agriculture, Faculty of Fisheries, Kerala University, and there is a Central Agriculture University, it is Central Agriculture University, Manipur, and then Dr. Rajendra Prasad Central Agriculture University, Pusa, it is in Bihar. Then there are Central University with Agriculture Faculty, it is BHU, Banaras Hindu University. So it is Institute of Agricultural Sciences, it is in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and then Nagaland University, School of Agricultural and Sciences and Rural Development, it is in Nagaland. So if you get a chance to be clear in ICAR, so you will be getting admission for PG. What are the courses available in PG, we'll see in a different video. If you need to get to know about more admission notification, please do to subscribe to Revamp YouTube channel, and then to share your friends, comment, click the bell icon to get instant updates. Thank you.